Hello, welcome to PLUTUS. Today we are going to see the Pythagoras theorem, how to use the Pythagoras theorem to get the values. Suppose tan theta equal to given that using the Pythagoras theorem, suppose that given that the tan theta equal to given that tan theta equal to 2 by 3, then find the sin theta, then find the value of sin theta. So now using the you know that this is the theta, then tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Then how to get the hypotenuse? First calculate the hypotenuse, and by using the Pythagoras theorem we can write the here x square equal to 2 square plus 3 square equal to, we'll get the 4 and plus 9, that means 13. So x equal to plus minus root 13. Plus minus root 13. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Suppose this is the A, B, C. Then by Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. So just put the value here, x square equal to 2 square plus 3 square, 4 plus 9, 13. That means x equal to 13. And therefore you can calculate the value of sin theta. Therefore sin theta equal to, you know that the BC upon AC. And what is the value of BC? Value of 2. And what is the value of here the AC? That is x equal to root 13. So we can get the values of sin theta by using the Pythagoras theorem. If value of the tan theta is given, that even if the value of sin theta is given, then we can find the other sides of triangle by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then we can get any values of like the tan theta, cos theta, cosec theta, and sec theta, and so on, whatever. So we'll discuss more about the trigonometric formula in the upcoming videos.